In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to temporarily deactivate TikTok. This allows you to take a break from the constant stream of content, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. To do this, simply head to TikTok. Tap onto these three lines and head to Settings and Privacy. Head to this very first option of Account. Onto this very last option of Deactivate or Delete Account, select Deactivate Account. Go ahead and tap on Deactivate. A verification code will be sent to you via the email linked to your account. Enter the code and tap on Deactivate to temporarily close your TikTok account. Well, that's how easy it is to temporarily deactivate TikTok. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.